Hello friends, welcome to this channel Unique Identity. Today I will discuss about the Staff Selection Commission Junior Engineer Notification 2020 which published on 1st October 2020. This is the examination for the recruitment of junior engineer, civil, mechanical, electrical and quantity surveying and contract. So let's start and please watch it carefully and watch it in full length so that you will have a clear concept about the application process. And also to remember, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it so that you will get the notification for the upcoming videos. Okay. First, you should go to the link ssc.nic.in. Here you can see that I have made one rectangle in red color, that notice of junior engineer, civil, mechanical, electrical and quantity surveying and contract examination 2020 published on 1st October. Okay. Based on this PDF I have made this video. So first, what are the important dates as per the notification of SSC JEE 2020? Submission of online application is 1st October 2020 to 30th October 2020. Okay, please remember the date. Last date and time for receipt of application, that is 30th October 2020 at 11:30 PM. Okay. Last date and time for making online fee payment, that is 1st November of 2020 up to 11:30 PM at night. Okay. And last date and time for generation of offline challan. If you have not applied online, then in your case it will be offline, and the last date for that generation of offline challan is 3rd November 2020 up to 11:30 PM at night. Last date for payment through challan during working hours of bank, that is 5th November 2020. And now this is more important, date of computer based examination paper 1, that is 22nd March 2021 to 25th March 2021. Okay, that is why I have marked it in brown. So please note down the date and be prepared accordingly. And date of paper 2 conventional to be notified later. Okay, so later this date will be notified. Next is pay level as per notification of SSC JEE 2020. Staff Selection Commission will hold an open competitive examination for recruitment of junior engineers, civil, mechanical, electrical and quantity surveying and contract for various ministries, department and organization in Government of India. Okay. And the posts are Group B non-gazetted. So by SSC JEE Group B non-gazetted posts are recruited. In level 6, that means pay level 6, the range is 35,400 to 1,12,400 of pay matrix of 7th Central Pay Commission. Okay. Next is detail of post as per notification of SSC JEE 2020. Here I have combined the serial number so that it will be combined and it will be easily understood for you. And here also I have marked blue as JEE Civil and JEE Electrical as green and JEE Mechanical as brown. So border road organization, both three department, civil, mechanical, electrical will be recruited. CPWD, only civil and electrical will be recruited. And Central Water and Power Research Station, both civil, electrical and mechanical will be recruited. Central Water Commission, only civil and mechanical will be recruited. Directorate of Quality Assurance Naval, only mechanical and electrical will be recruited. Farakka Barrage Project, civil, electrical, mechanical all will be recruited. Military Engineering Service, that means MIS, civil, electrical, mechanical all will be recruited. And NTRO, that means National Technical Research Organization, civil, electrical, mechanical all will be recruited. So in a total civil will be recruited in 7 organization, electrical will be recruited in 7 organization, whereas mechanical will be recruited only 6 organization. Okay. Next is vacancy. This is the most important. As per this notification, it has been given that vacancies will be determined in due course. An updated vacancy position will be uploaded on the website of the commission, that is ssc.nic.in, then candidates corner, then tentative vacancy. Okay, so it will be notified later. Next is the age limit. That is also most important thing. That age limit for the post of junior engineer as on 1/1/2021. That means 1st January 2021 is the cut-off date for this age limit criteria. Here I have used the previous table, okay, and age limit is different for different organization. In maximum organization it is 30 years except CPWD, that means Central Public Works Department, and Central Water Commission, that is 32 years. Except these two organizations, all the 7 organizations, that means BRO, Central Water Power Research Station, Directorate of Quality Assurance Naval, Farakka Barrage Project, MES and NTRO, the age limit is 30. Okay. And permissible relaxation in upper age limit prescribed in the previous table are as follows. That means for SC/ST it will be plus 5 years, for OBC it is plus 3 years, person with disabilities it is plus 10 years, person with disability in OBC category, that means plus 13 years, person with disability plus SC/ST is plus 15 years, ex-servicemen, that is 3 years after deduction of military service rendered from the actual age, and defense personnel disabled in operation during hospitalities with any foreign country or any disturbed area and released as a consequence thereof, that is plus 3 years, and the same case in case of SC and ST, that is plus 8 years. Okay, so this is the age relaxation for this SSC JEE 2020. Now the educational qualification, this is also most important, and for different post in different organization, this qualification is different. Here I have given for junior engineer civil only. Okay, junior engineer civil in border organization in Ministry of Defence, that is degree in civil engineering required. Mind it, not diploma. This is degree required, or 3-year diploma in civil engineering plus 2 years working experience. So you got this point. For BRO JEE, degree in civil engineering, that is enough. If you don't have degree, if you have diploma, then you should have 2 years working experience in planning, execution and maintenance of civil engineering works. Okay. Next, junior engineer civil in CPWD, that is diploma in civil engineering is sufficient from recognized university or institute. Next, junior engineer civil Central Water Research Station, in that case also diploma in civil engineering from a recognized university or institute is okay. Then junior engineer civil Central Water Commission, degree or diploma in civil engineering, that is okay. Okay. So mind it that only for BRO it is degree required or diploma plus 2-year experience. Next is junior engineer civil Farakka Barrage project, that is diploma in civil engineering from a recognized university or institute or board, that is okay. Again, junior engineering MES, that means military engineering service, same as in BRO, border road service, border road organization, that is degree in civil engineering from recognized university or 3-year diploma plus 2-year experience in planning, execution and maintenance of civil engineering works. Okay. So only in these two cases, BRO and MES, degree required or diploma plus 2 years experience. Mind it. And next is, last is junior engineer civil NTRO, that is diploma in civil engineering, that is okay. Okay. Now, all candidates who are called for document verification will be required to produce their relevant certificates in original as mark sheet, provisional degree, diploma certificate as a proof of having acquired the minimum qualification on or before 1/1/2021. Okay. So you should both acquire the educational qualification certificate and the experience certificate before 1/1/2021, that is the cut-off date, following which candidature of the such candidate will be cancelled by the commission. Okay, so be careful. Next is the candidates who are able to prove by documentary evidence that the result of the qualifying examination was declared on or before the cut-off date and he has been declared passed will also be considered to have made the required educational qualification. So it is telling that you are in the last year and you have sufficient proof of your result. That means your result has already been declared before the cut-off date. Okay. Then also you are eligible to sit for the exam. It is reiterated that the result of requisite educational qualification must have been declared by the board or university by the specified date. Okay. So you are applying now. This result should be declared within 30th October because without that result you can't put your percentage of marks. Okay. So if you can't put the percentage of marks, it will be automatically rejected your application. Mere processing of the result by board university by the crucial cut-off date does not fulfill the EQ requirement. That means educational qualification requirement. So if you did not get the result or rather you would not get the result by 30th October, then your candidature will be automatically cancelled because you will not provide the percentage of marks. Okay. Next is how to apply. This is most important. So please see it carefully because at this moment this application procedure is very important. See, applications are required to be submitted in online mode only at the official website of SSC headquarters, that is ssc.nic.in. So in Google search you can go ssc.nic.in. Okay. Then the process of filling online application for the examination consists of two parts. First one is one-time registration, then filling of online application for the examination. I will come step by step so that it will be easily understood by you and it will be clear for you. First is part 1, one-time registration. What is written here? Please read the instruction given in the notice of examination carefully before filling up the online registration form and application form. Okay. Next is before proceeding with one-time registration, keep the following information document ready because this data will be required for filling up this one-time registration. Mobile number to be verified through OTP, email ID to be verified through OTP, Aadhaar number. If Aadhaar is not available, then voter card, PAN card, passport, driving license, school, college ID, employee ID, any one of these will be required. Information about the board, roll number, year of passing, the matriculation, that means the 10th examination, disability certificate, number, if you are a person with benchmark disability. Okay. For one-time registration, click on the register now link provided login section ssc.nic.in. So if you open this link ssc.nic.in, you will get on the right side a link, then you should click it, the register now. Then one-time registration process requires filling up the following information: basic details, additional and contact details and declaration. I am coming in details. This is the front page for screenshot for one-time registration form. Okay. So first is, do you have any Aadhaar? Yes or no? If yes, then give the Aadhaar number, verify Aadhaar number, type of ID. Let's example, it is voter card ID, then ID number, then name, verify name. Have you changed your name? Then if yes, then new name or changed name. Father's name, verify father's name, mother's name, verify mother's name, date of birth, verify date of birth. Okay. Next is matriculation, that means 10th class, educational board, verify educational board, roll number, verify roll number, year of passing, verify year of passing. That means 2 times you have to put this data so that there will be no mistake. Gender, verify gender, level of educational qualification, that means you may be graduate, you may be diploma, mobile number, verify mobile number, email ID, verify email ID. Then you should click next or you can click on save. Okay. Next is that registration number now you are got. Then is category and verify category, nationality, and this is the matrix, identification matrix. Then are you a person with disability? Then type of disability. Next is disability certificate number, permanent address, state, district, pin code, is present address same as permanent address. Then again contact details of other residents. Okay? So and then there will be 4 options and 5 options that proceed, save, reset, okay, next or close. You have to choose any one. Now this is the declaration. Then I agree you have to choose. Then you can previous to edit or take draft, print or final submit. If you final submit, then one time registration is done. Okay. Next is part 2. That means filling the online application for the examination. Mind it that you have, before proceeding the filling online form, keep the following data ready. Recent, that means not more than 3 months old from the date of application of the notice of examination. Recent scan photograph size in 20 KB to 50 KB and in JPEG format, and the dimension will be 3.5 cm into 4.5 cm. First is this. Next is the date on which the photograph has been taken must be clearly printed on the photograph. Application without the date printed on the photograph will be rejected, and application with blurred photograph will also be rejected. Okay. So mind it. Scanned signature in JPEG format, that means 10 to 20 KB. Image dimension of the signature should be 4 cm into 2 cm. Also application with illegible signature will be rejected. So please be careful for the application for the signature and the photograph. Okay. Then log into online system using your registration number and password. Click apply link in Junior Engineer Civil, Mechanical, Electrical and Quantity Surveying Contract Examination 2019 section under latest notification tab. Next is that filling of online form. That means candidate's name, new or changed name, father's name, mother's name, date of birth, age on 1/1/21, gender, category, whether person with disability, if yes, type of disability, nationality, mark of visible identification, matriculation examination board, matriculation roll number, matriculation year of passing, okay, preference, center choice. You have to give three choice, first choice, second choice, third choice. Then whether ex-serviceman, yes or not, date of discharge from armed forces, if yes, okay. Have you already joined a civil post by availing the benefit of ex-serviceman? Then date of joining the civil post for ex-serviceman, length of service in armed force, whether suffering from cerebral palsy, do you have a physical limitation to write or scribe required, okay. Whether scribe is required, yes or no. Then finally, will you make your own agreement to scribe? If scribe, then arranged by SSC, then indicate the medium. Whether seeking age relaxation, yes or no. If yes, indicate code. Okay. Then post applied for, as for example, Junior Engineer Civil. Okay. Next is the qualification, that means BTech, Civil Engineering, University name, roll number, year of passing, percentage or CGPA. That is I was telling you. If you have not got this percentage, it will be automatically rejected. So if you get, then only you can fill, otherwise you can't fill. Then the address, present address or permanent address you have to fill. Then upload photo and upload signature as given by the criteria. So please be careful for uploading photo and signature. Then I agree, and this captcha you should enter, and this proceed, and this will be submitted. Okay. Next is application fee. Fee payable is rupees 100 only. Okay. Women candidates and Candidates belonging to scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, person with disability, ex-servicemen eligible for reservation are exempted for payment of fee. That means no fee is required for this type of categories. Fee can be paid through Bhim, UPI, net banking or by using Visa, Mastercard, Maestro, RuPay, credit or debit card or in cash at SBI branch by generating SBI challan. Online fee can be paid by the candidates up to 1/1/2020 up to 11:30 p.m. at night. However, candidate who wish to make the payment through challan of SBI may make the payment in cash at the designated branches of SBI within the working hours of the bank up to 5 November 2020, provided the challan has been generated by them before 3rd November 2020 at 11:30 p.m. Okay. So that is the case of application fee. Now I will upload one more video on this SSC JEE application. Okay. And the topic will be scheme of the examination, indicative syllabus, admission to the examination, document verification, post preferences and finally mode of selection. Okay. So you first apply, then after few days I will upload this video. This will be very useful for you. So that's all for today. I think if you have liked my video, then please subscribe this channel and you can share this video with your friend so that maximum number of people will be benefited. Okay. So that's all for today. We'll come with the next upcoming video. So thank you very much and all the best for your future endeavor.